Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a Beetlejuice inspired makeup look. So these are the products I'll be using in this video today, and as you can see we have mostly beauty products such as the Jaclyn Eyeshadow Palette and the 35M Morphe palette. I'll also be using my Urban Decay setting spray, and like always I'm using my Fenty beauty primer. You can also see that I'll be using some special effects products. For effects makeup, I use a lot of Nye products. Also, that clear spray bottle has 99% alcohol, which I'll show you how to use in the video. The Spatula and Pallet were a gift, but you can purchase one on Amazon as well. There will be a detailed list of all of the products I use listed down below. Alrighty guys, so to start off the video, we're going to be taking a white color or a white foundation. Today I'm going to be using my Nye Color Cake makeup. And with a wet brush, I'm going to be applying this all over my face and neck. And you want to blend it out towards your collarbone. So for my eyebrows today, I'm going to be using my Velour liquid lipstick in the color Crocodile Tears by Jeffree and applying it to my eyebrows. So I'm going to do my eyebrows a little bit thicker than normal because Beetlejuice has like manly eyebrows. So I'm going to be applying that thick. So in the movie, Beetlejuice has these perfect like purple circle eyes, but I kind of want to mess it up just a little bit, like his face is really messed up. So I will be taking the Zuzu Eyeshadow Palette by Juvias, and with a big fluffy blending brush, I'm going to be blending the eyeshadow out. And I'm also going to be using the best tools that I have, which are my hands, to help make it look kind of dirty.
Don't you wanna stay? 'Cause I don't wanna chase or make you make the same mistake. Every time you pull away, you make me wanna drive around and call out your name. You got your powers over me, those powers over me, I'm going under, yeah.
I'm also going to be taking the black eyeshadow in the same palette to kind of make a smoky eye effect. So now I'm going to be taking a black eyeliner pencil and applying it to my waterline on the top and the bottom of my lashes. So now with my Morphe 35M eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking this color right over here and applying it as my contour, and I'm also going to be blending it into other parts of my face and neck.
Can't you tell you cast your spell on me enough? Hit me with your kiss and I'll stay talking to your body like we got too much to say. You got your powers over me, those powers over me, I'm going under, yeah, I'm going under, yeah. You got those powers over me, those ones I need to keep from going under, yeah.
So now we're going to be taking our Nye.
So now I'm going to be taking
So now I'm going to be taking my Nye Ultimate FX Pallet, and I'm going to be using a palette knife and one of these fancy bad boys. And I'm going to take this green color and a little bit of black to make it kind of dark. So like so, I'm going to be scraping it onto the palette. And then with the black, I'm gonna mix these two colors together. So this is kind of the color that you want to get. It's kind of like a dark army green color. So it's going to be mostly green and just a little bit of black. So I almost want to say 2 parts green and 1 part black. But that's like just an estimate. Just know that this is the color that you kind of want.
Yes.
I think I have a question.
Okay. Yes, I'm filming. Go ahead.
So in my little spray bottle, I have 99% alcohol. I'm going to spray this color like just a touch so that it kind of blends together well and makes it a little bit less dense of a color. And with my stippling brush, in the green parts that I already have, I'm going to like stamp little green spots.
That's why you should make an exit all night. I'll give you all my dirty grind. I bet you never had imagined she could be so mean. I don't care for what you're doing, 'cause if I decide to bite, we just know I'm at the boys, 'cause I'm me all the time. They say I'm an animal, they are a better not come crying when it's all too much. See, you don't wanna text me cause I won't write back. If you want this queen, better be Batman. I'm a strong female and I don't play nice. Only one I know that has hit this twice, and it crumbled quick in the morning light. There was nothing left but a rock and Sprite. Oh, doesn't that sound nice? If you want the best, you can pay this price. Careful what you're doing, cause if I decide to buy, just know I'm at the boys, cause on me all the time. They say I'm an animal, they never ready. You don't wanna fuck with me. Leaving no survivors if you don't believe the hype. But just know I'm at the boys, cause on me all the time. They say I'm an animal, and you're regretting. You don't wanna fuck with me.
Alright everyone, this is going to be the final look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Beetlejuice inspired makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and unlike Beetlejuice, in order to see my face, you don't have to say my name 3 times. So all you gotta do is subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, for this month of October, I will be posting 2 new videos every single week on Wednesday and on Friday. And again, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.